Have you ever wondered if you can make money online? If yes, you are absolutely right. And you can easily make money online. All that's needed is a computer or phone with an internet connection. Welcome to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their personal finance and tackle everything about finance and financial literacy. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when there's a new release of our videos. In this video, I will demonstrate 10 top websites from which you can start making side cash, or if you're serious, good money. How wonderful is that? It is possible to make significant money online, with some sites allowing you to earn up to $100 or even more daily. The great thing is that this extra income can be generated without leaving your full-time job. You can work on these sites during your spare time and benefit from a nice side income. Earning money online has two basic options. Active income requires a similar effort to a typical job, meaning there's no compensation if you don't put in the work. On the other hand, passive income involves generating a steady paycheck with minimal effort from you, keeping your money coming in without putting in an extensive amount of time or energy to maintain it. Passive income is a great way to make money without putting in too much effort. You just have to do the initial work, and it should theoretically keep generating income. Although you may need to promote whatever you created or someone else has made. This is why it's my favorite way of earning money. Okay, let's dive into the video. The first one is YouTube. A lesser-known fact is that you can actually generate income with YouTube. If this interests you, it's essential to know that making money on this platform isn't as easy as it sounds. To create a new YouTube channel and begin monetization, the latest rules dictate that you must hit specific benchmark numbers. This includes having 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Meeting these minimum criteria is required to get started. Once you have built up your following, you can begin to make money from your YouTube channel. How much money you can make from it depends on multiple factors. But with enough dedication and hard work, the potential is there to earn quite a substantial sum. If you continue to post captivating content, you can make a considerable amount of money by creating YouTube videos. Depending on the viewership and length of the video, your earnings range from $1 to tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands. Having more views on your YouTube videos can bring you greater financial rewards. Also, you get to add to your list of subscribers, furthering your reach. With YouTube, you can bring in consistent passive income with minimal effort. Simply create a few videos and enjoy the rewards. Earning through YouTube is possible through sponsorships, but you'll need a noticeably large viewer base of 10,000 subscribers or more. Alternatively, money can be brought in with affiliate programs, which we can talk about later. The second one is Flippa.com, the go-to platform for buying and selling online businesses. It has a large user base, and its tools are great for increasing your business's visibility. By using this platform, you can give your ideas a chance to soar and make them come alive. The world of digital asset trading is becoming more popular, with auction sites such as eBay offering a great way to buy and sell domains, apps, websites, Amazon FBA accounts, and Shopify stores. If you're skilled at developing apps or building websites, there are exciting opportunities to monetize your skills online while helping others. If you have some money, why not invest it in an app, website, or e-commerce store that has already reaped profits? Flippa is the perfect platform for you to purchase a steady source of income. Flippa is an online auction platform similar to eBay. If you're the highest bidder, you'll win the item and can start generating income with it. You can also make money by selling online businesses through Flippa, making it easy to succeed with your own business. Amazon is third on our list, founded by Jeff Bezos as an online bookseller. Nowadays, you can find nearly anything on Amazon. Aside from being a great place to purchase your favorite items, you can also make money with the platform in 3 different ways. The first way is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is a digital platform similar to Upwork. Companies increasingly use AI to outsource complex tasks such as audio and video editing, translation, testing web pages, transcribing, and review writing. With the help of AI writing assistants, businesses can now effectively manage their other essential operations without compromising on quality. You can make up to $30 per hour with a few simple tasks. A great income. This active income is reliable and rewarding. The second way is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Another great way to turn your ideas into a profitable venture. Every time someone buys your ebook, both Amazon and the publisher make money. And you can too. All that's needed to start is creating an ebook you want to sell. With some dedication, anyone can become an author and reap the rewards. You don't need an established reputation or a publishing deal. Instead, you can begin writing your book from the comfort of your home and enjoy passive income streams. Isn't that incredible? What makes it even better is that this service is free. So don't wait any longer. Sign up and earn money. Amazon takes care of the financial side, so you can relax on your couch and start profiting from passive income. If you're serious about starting a business in Kindle publishing, researching this topic is worthwhile. YouTube is an excellent source for free videos and tutorials that can provide significant insights into the basics of this industry. Investing in a course can pay off if you are looking for professional advice. Kindle ebooks have become a lucrative source of income, and many people have made over $100,000 annually just by publishing them on Amazon. It is worth exploring this market. The third way is Amazon's Associate Program, an amazing passive income earning opportunity. It is absolutely free to join, and you can quickly browse through the wide selection of products to choose what to sell on your website. You can also start promoting your selected products in no time. Amazon has enabled a great opportunity for individuals to earn a commission. All you have to do is share their special link with others. When someone buys through your link, you will get a commission ranging from 5 to 10% of the purchase price. And this commission will be credited into your account within 60 days, which can be redeemed via Amazon gift cards or transferred directly to your bank account. Receiving payments in US dollars outside the United States is an excellent opportunity. You could be paid via checks or transfer the money to your Amazon account and start shopping. This is a great way to take advantage of global opportunities and maximize your potential earnings. Now, we're diving into the fourth website to earn money, which is Upwork. It is an online platform for freelancers. It's a great resource to find reliable professionals for various jobs. With Upwork, you can make an extra income from services, businesses, and individuals' posts that they'd like to outsource. This could include jobs such as video editing, article writing, coding, or app development. As a freelancer on Upwork, you can find various work available in one place. The best part about this is that you don't need a lot of experience or qualifications to start. All you need is some skill or talent, and you're good to go. If there's anything you're good at, such as coding, graphic design, or any other skill, check out Upwork and start earning some money. If you're angling for jobs on Upwork, craft a strong profile that looks good. It will help you catch the attention of potential employers and increase your chances of getting hired. You can also showcase previous work or highlight relevant experience to create a great impression. Let's move on to our number 5. Among the many online money-making opportunities, there is ClickBank. Appealing to both product creators and affiliates, the digital marketplace can bring great satisfaction with its higher commission payout than Amazon. You can now provide your courses or services to the world through ClickBank and make a good income. Affiliates offer a wide range of commission rates, ranging from as low as 5% to as high as 75%. ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms, potentially generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profits. All you have to do is pick something to sell and start making money today. Number 6 is TakeLessons.com. Take Lessons is a website where you can teach any skill. Everyone has something unique to offer: cooking, teaching a language, complex math equations, playing instruments, or something else. You can take lessons and start earning money by sharing your knowledge with others. Number 7. Rover is your go-to if you're a dog lover and live in the US or Canada. It's the perfect service if you need an experienced sitter while away from home. All of their professionals have been thoroughly vetted before being approved. If you are from the US or Canada, this is an excellent way to make extra money while having fun. While dog sitting, you may earn anywhere between $80 to $100 each night just by caring for someone else's dog. You can make hundreds of dollars a week just by babysitting someone's pet. How about that for a deal? Number 8 is Fiverr, a famous website offering freelancing services starting from just $5. You can easily outsource various tasks and services using Fiverr as long as they are legitimate pursuits. This makes it an ideal platform for people who want to monetize their skills or start making money with minimal setup costs. Fiverr is a great platform for earning money with no limit to the number of services you can offer. You could create design logos and packaging, animation, apps, and code websites, make t-shirts, do Photoshop editing or social media design, work in 3D modeling or architecture, and more. Fiverr is an incredible outsourcing service source, making it easy to find what you need and make some money while you're at it. So if any task can be outsourced, head over to Fiverr and see the many possibilities available. It's completely legitimate. Go check it out. Number 9 is Shutterstock, a platform for buying and selling digital media such as images, videos, and audio. Most of the content is created by freelancers and third-party organizations. It's become increasingly popular as you can easily find high-quality files without hiring a professional photographer or videographer. If you are skilled at taking amazing pictures and videos, photography, or making great beats, you can monetize your talent on Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a great way to earn an income, as it pays a commission each time one of your photos is purchased. Depending on your luck, your amount can range from a few cents to several dollars. To maximize the amount of money you make, the key is to upload lots of high-quality images regularly. Last but not least is dropshipping. This is a great way to make money without buying products or dealing with shipping. You act as a broker and sell someone else's product for a smaller yet significant profit. You can open a Shopify store and link it up with Overload, an app that integrates with Shopify. This is a popular way to source items to sell in their stores. The basic principle of dropshipping is creating a store or any other channel where people can buy products from you. After customers have purchased products from you, you pay the manufacturer considerably lower than what you've charged your customers. This way, the manufacturer ships the product directly to them without any involvement from your side. You don't need to be involved in the process or ever see or touch the product. Dropshipping offers excellent flexibility for businesses, as you can set your price for the products you want to sell and keep the profits afterward. All that's left is to pay the producer accordingly. That's precisely what dropshipping is all about. If you're interested in dropshipping, there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that will guide you step by step through creating your store, finding products, advertising, finding influencers, and finally, shipping and getting paid. Now that you've learned 10 ways to earn money online, What are you waiting for? Choose one website and start earning now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Want more additional tips financially? Make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when there's a new release of our videos.